Welcome to the Northwest University, NWU. We will guide you through the entire application process, showing you step by step how to apply to the NWU. Stay informed. Before applying for a postgraduate qualification, visit studies.nwu.ac.za/postgraduate-studies to ensure that you understand the admission requirements. For postgraduate studies, admission requirements may differ per qualification. Visit the NWU application portal. Visit the How to Apply online webpage at studies.nwu.ac.za/studies/apply and click the Apply Now button to open the application portal. Please read through the information on the Start Your Application screen. It will guide you through the application portal. Create a university number and PIN. To start your application, create your university number and PIN. Click on the Create a University Number button and fill in your details. A quick tip: the red stars indicate the mandatory fields. You must complete these fields or you will not be able to continue. At the end of the screen, you need to create a PIN. To create a secure PIN, ensure that your PIN is longer than 8 characters, has a capital letter, a number, and a special character like an exclamation mark. For example, starts here 1! If you are a current student, log in using your existing student number and click on Create PIN to create a secure login PIN. Confirm your PIN and click Next to generate your university number. Your new university number and PIN will be sent via SMS to your cell phone number on the NWU portal as provided by you. Start your application. Go to the application portal after you have created your university number and click on Log In. The login screen will open. Click on Start Application to open the application and admission screen. The academic year you are applying for will be selected automatically. Just fill in the year you completed the matric year. Under the drop-down menu of qualification type, select Postgraduate Qualification and choose the presentation method you prefer. Choose the highest academic level you have achieved. For postgraduate studies, select Degree or Diploma. The answer about your previous academic record will be automatically selected, but click on the drop-down menu to change it. Indicate how you will pay for your university studies and accommodation from the drop-down menu. Please note, getting a university number does not imply that you have been accepted for the program you applied for. A university number is issued for administrative purposes only. Study choice. On the study choice screen, it's time to choose the qualification you want to apply for. Remember, you can select 2 study choices. Before making your selection, check that you meet the admission requirements for each qualification. When selecting your preferred campus, NWU has campuses in Mahikeng, Potchefstroom, and Vanderbijlpark. Please note that some programs are only offered on specific campuses, so make sure your chosen program is available on the campus you select. Select your program. Search for the postgraduate qualification via the industry, for example, education, to see all the honors, masters, and doctoral programs that NWU offers. Mode of delivery and curriculum will be automatically selected. Add a second study choice. Your second choice is optional, but it is recommended if you would like to be considered for another program. Review your choices. When you are sure that your campus program, method of delivery, and curriculum details are correct, save and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the fields. Electronic documents. On the electronic document screen, you will find a table listing all the supporting documents required for your application. For postgraduate studies, the following documents may be required. Certified copy of your South African ID, both sides, in PDF or clear JPEG format. Certified copies of all degree certificates. Certified full academic transcripts for every qualification. Research concept or proposal for Masters and PhD are required at application. Curriculum vitae or CV. Additional SAQA Evaluation Certificate if any qualification is from outside South Africa. This is compulsory. Certified Marriage Certificate if name has changed. It is crucial to upload your supporting documents. Incomplete or outstanding documents can delay your application status. Uploading your documents is a two-step process. Step 1. Click on the blue upward arrow and a pop-up screen will open. Click on Choose File and locate and select the digital file from your device. Step 2. Click on Upload to submit the document to the portal. Once you have uploaded all your documents, save and click Next to open the Submit Application to NWU screen. Pay your administration fee and submit your application. On the Submit Application to NWU screen, review all your application information. Once you are satisfied that the information is correct, scroll down and click on the Pay Study Application Fee button. The payment gateway will open. Enter your email address, read the NWU refund policy, confirm that you have read it and click on Pay. Enter your card details and complete the payment. When your payment has been processed successfully, click on Refresh. You will be redirected back to the payment gateway with the successful status and click on the Actions icon to download your proof of payment. Once your payment has been successfully completed, your receipt number will be available at the top of the Submit Application to NWU screen, and your application will be submitted automatically. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered email address. For the latest information, visit our NWU website and regularly check your email address. Good luck, and remember, it all starts here at Northwest University.